Hi there, and happy Groundhog Day, everyone! Now, I rented the Cars 2006 DVD. The THX logo. There's no case, but all I got is the disc. Okay, I better put that in, because I gotta watch that movie anyway. Here we go! Wait, but first I gotta, oh, I can't wait. What? I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait to see that movie. Woohoo! Whoop. Come on. Okay. Here we go. Oh my god. This is ready. Okay. What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What? Ah, I told you. Oh. No! 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 Don't fix the logo! Don't fix the logo! Don't fix the logo! Don't fix it! Don't fix it! Don't fix it! No! 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 Text! No! Text! No! Text! No! Text! Don't fix the logo! No! 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 Don't fix the logo! Don't fix the logo! Don't fix the logo! Don't fix the logo! No! 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 I told you, brown cat! And happy Groundhog Day!